Stangibelisco here. Lately, I've been talking a lot about lightning, and I have another issue that I'd like to bring up. Lightning can induce electromagnetic pulses in radio antennas, electrical wiring, and all kinds of things, even if a direct hit does not occur. That includes the AC wiring that ultimately comes to the outlets in your house, and a nearby lightning strike can induce sufficient electromagnetic pulse phenomena to sometimes literally cause fires in your house wiring. Besides that, a lot of apparatus that is connected to that wiring can be damaged through the electrical lines. Refrigerators, a lot of things have sensitive electronics in them. I've had it happen with a refrigerator. I've had it happen. I don't believe I've ever had it happen with a ham radio, although certain peripherals have been damaged. I don't think a computer has ever done it. Um, and you can get transient suppressors that will help minimize the risk of damage to equipment when you have such an electromagnetic pulse. These little, they call them, I believe, surge suppressors sometimes, but really they're intended to clip off any extreme voltages that might appear on your electrical wiring in your house should you have a nearby lightning strike. But this kind of apparatus can only go so far. If you get a sufficiently powerful electromagnetic pulse or a direct hit on wiring nearby or even in your house, a lot of the equipment that you have plugged into wall outlets, ordinary AC wall outlets, can be damaged beyond all hope of redemption. What is it? Fouled up beyond all hope of redemption. Fubahor, is that it? I would like to, so I'm going to just let you know about this risk, and I would like to ask you a question. And that question is, have you ever had this happen? Have you ever had electronic equipment damaged by a nearby lightning strike by means of electromagnetic pulse currents coming through the wall outlet? And secondly, a corollary question, what measures have you taken to prevent or minimize the probability of such damage, short of unplugging everything all the time except when you're using it? Which isn't, by the way, necessarily such a bad idea if you can do it, but you can't go around doing that with every appliance in your house, obviously. But sensitive equipment, you might consider it if it's something you don't use all the time, like a ham radio set, for example. Stangibelisco signing off. Until next time, so long.